How to send HD, high-quality photos in Instagram. DM, how can you send high-quality or HD photos in your Instagram messages? Are you tired and frustrated of your photos losing quality? I'm going to show you how to send HD photos on Instagram in just a couple of simple steps, and that way you'll ensure that the other person gets high-resolution photos. The first thing that you'll want to do is to open the Google Play Store or the App Store and then search for Instagram. This is a relatively new feature, so you'll have to make sure that your Instagram application is updated to the latest version. If Instagram is updated, you'll want to open the app and then go over to your Instagram DMS. Or open the conversation in which you'll want to send high-quality photos. We will start by tapping on this photo gallery icon just as we would every time that we send photos. But in the new Instagram update, you're going to see this little HD option which is located in the top right corner of the screen. You'll want to tap on that button and you'll know that the feature is enabled when the HD letters turn white and the square around it turns black. So I've enabled the HD option for sending the photos. And keep in mind that you'll have to send the photos one by one, because if you send multiple photos at the same time, they won't be sent in an HD resolution. So select the HD option, then send one photo at a time. This is a limitation from Instagram's side, and hopefully they'll give us an option to send multiple photos this way without losing the quality in the near future.